Hi everyone. So today during class we um, worked with a function that we called the Calc Percentage, which was essentially a function that was taking a numerical value and in a percentage, and it was essentially multiplying these two guys together and produced the actual value of the percentage, and then we returned that. And we basically said we can call this function. Um, like that. We can call it using a numerical value like 100, and then the percentage is like, say, 15%. This is the actual value here, not the percentage. And if we actually print that, um, if we print that like this and run it after we save, we are going to see that the value here is 15, 15 out of this 100. If I change this to 23, then I'm gonna be getting um, that the value has changed. So as you can see, the percentage here determines the actual value, right? And if I make this one 30 like that, I'm gonna get a different value for sure. And this is gonna give me 29.9, and then a long fraction which is irrelevant. We can fix that later on. Now I want to show you how to use this function twice. Remember that this is a percentage. A percentage can actually be added or can be subtracted. If the percentage is subtracted, then we're basically creating a discount. We're calculating something like a discount. So the calculation of the discount is going to be essentially the same thing. The actual, say, the price and the discount percentage, right? And what we need now is to calculate the percentage, but we already calculated it here. So what we need to do is to call this function within the calc discount, like that. And this is gonna give me the value for the discount. We can call this discount this value like this. And now if I want to calculate the total after discount like that, now I need to take that price and subtract the discount value, because again, if you buy a dress or buy a suit for $100 and you get a discount for $15, then you're gonna be subtracting that discount, so you pay less. So here we are going to subtract the discount value, and then we're gonna say the price after discount, not fatter, after, like that. Okay, again. And we are going to return that price after the fact. Sorry, this is a return. That's not what I need to do. I need to return the price after, like that. And now I want to test it. I want to test this function here. Here it is, by calling it, and I'm gonna give it the same values here. Okay. Oh well, I'm gonna say, well, let's do $100 and 15%. So we know that we're gonna be getting the price after discount, like that. The price after discount, if I print it, it should be giving me 85. Price after discount, that's gonna give me the price after discount. Total price after discount, price after discount. This is the one that I need, because that's the one that I'm calling here. Okay, so if we run this, and I'm going to comment those guys out, and oops, I apologize, go up. Now I want to run this, and it's going to tell me that the price after discount is indeed 85, because $100 you take 15%, that's gonna give me the $15 from this function, and this function is going to pass the discount value, which would be 15. You take 15 from 100, that's gonna give us 25. We can run the same thing again another time. So suppose we do this like $200, and I don't know, maybe 13%, like that. So it's gonna give me two values. The first one is gonna be 85, and the second one is gonna be 174. That's because this is 13% from 200 is gonna give me some value, which we will be subtracting, and it's gonna tell me if we actually are interested in doing that. So I can do it 200 like this, so you can see exactly what kind of value is that. All right, and so it's 26. You take it from 200, as you can see, 26 plus 174. Okay, we need to do Python like that. And if I do 26, that's gonna give me 200 here. So this is how we can validate this. So, but we actually said that the discount here is not the only function that can use a percentage. Okay, what else? I'm gonna tell you what else. We have this discount here. We said we can subtract or we can add. If we add, then we're basically gonna calculate the tax, calc the price after tax. So suppose that this percentage here is a tax, not a discount. So that would be a numerical value here, and then that would be a percent of any sort, which would be the tax rate. We could call it the tax rate, like that. And this is gonna be almost identical to all of these guys, but I'm not gonna copy, I'm gonna copy those guys only. And this is the function that's gonna give me the percentage, and the percentage here is actually the tax, and this is the numerical value here. I gotta make sure that I provide the entire set of parameters that are passed from the original function here. And this is gonna give me the value, or the tax value. Okay, so having that tax value, what we need to do now is to take that numerical value, okay, and if we add up, because we need to add the tax to the price, say you're buying something and you have to pay taxes on it. So this is the price after tax, like that. And here you would be returning, return, my keyboard is causing problems, right? As you can see, it keeps spitting these characters more than once. That has been happening for a long time. Long story short, now we have to call this function here, like that. And this function takes, say, $92 for a dress or a suit, and a 13%, and let's see how much that's gonna give us. It's supposed to be giving us the price after, like that. And if I print the price after tax, like that, is going to tell me how much I'm gonna be paying. But I have to exit here first, and now I'm gonna clear, and I'm gonna try to do this one more time, and I got an issue here. I need to return the price after tax. That's what's telling me, and I'm gonna come back here, and it's gonna tell me it's 103.96. So this is the total after you add the tax. So you can imagine how much you had to pay. That would be $8 plus 3. That would be $11.96. That's 13% from 92. So this is what we did in class today, and I want to make sure that you guys have this to go over the material. But if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, you can write me a comment on the video, all of the above. Thank you so much.